Good morning, 10th class children. Open your notes. Let us do few more problems on median. Today I want to explain 14.3. Second question. Yesterday I explained first problem. Today second problem. See second problem. Write down. Class interval. Frequency and cumulative frequency. Three forms. Cumulative frequency. Class interval, frequency, cumulative frequency. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, two, three, four, five, six. Six classes are given. This is the table. Total frequency, yes. Now class interval given in the text problem only 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. This is given in the problem only. In the question paper, it will be in horizontal. Wait. We are drawing into vertical. Frequency given, first 5, here x, 20, 15, y, 5. Total frequency given 60. N is equal to 60. And median value given, 28.5. 5x and y frequencies. In previous problem, class interval frequency given, we find median. Now, median given, we have to find these two frequencies. Important. See, these two columns are given in the problem. We have to start here. Cumulative frequency, first 5. 5 plus x, add x plus 25 plus x, and 40 plus x, 40 plus x plus y, 45 plus x plus y. This is the cumulative frequency. Third column. For mode there is no extra columns, only two columns that are given in question. Now in median, for median calculation, we have to draw three columns. Two columns will be there in the question, and one more extra we are taking cumulative frequency. And you know already in learned in classes what is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is nothing but successive addition of the frequencies. First, write as it is 5 plus x, 5 plus 20, 25 plus x, 25 plus 15, 40 plus x, 40 plus x plus y, 45 plus x plus y. So this is cumulative frequency and this is equal to 60. Last cumulative frequency is 60. Now, given median, write the formula. Median formula. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. See, you draw a line with subtraction after plus. Here what is L? Lower boundary of the median plus. And what is N? Total frequency. And what is CF? Cumulative frequency preceding class of the median class. And F is frequency of the median class. And H is size of the class. Each class is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So each class is increased by C we know easily 10. So H value is 10. Now write down. So what is median here? Median is definition. According to definition, N by 12 observation. So what is N here? 60 given by 2, 38th observation. 30th observation. 30th observation. 30th observation is coming in this 25 plus x. This is highest frequency 20 in this. So this is median class. This is median class. Median class. And this is CF. Preceding frequency of median class. And what is L? Lower boundary of the median class. And what is F? Frequency of the median class. First of all, we have to identify the median class. How to find? Half of the 60, n by 2, n by 2, n by 2 means 60 by 2, 38. 38th number is coming in this 5 plus x, 25 plus x. This is 40 plus x. So we may get this. So you assume this is median class. After identifying median class, we can easily write lower boundary of the median class, frequency of the median class, and frequency, cumulative frequency preceding to median class above. These are the values. And H is size of the class. Each class increased by 10, 10, 10, 10. that is h. Now write the values. Lower boundary of the middle class is 20 and n value given 60. CF value, cumulative frequency of the middle class, preceding class 5 plus x, 5 plus x, and F frequency of the middle class 20, and H is size of the classifier, that is 10. So you write in a box. For this you will get half mark. For writing formula, half mark. For writing these values, terms values, half. Now substitute the values. Substitute in the formula. Lower boundary of the class 20 L. Put equal here. L 20 plus 60 by 2 minus CF 5 plus x by F 20 into height of size of the classical is 10. Now 20 plus 30 minus 5 minus x by 20 into 10. So 0 0 cancel here, 10 10 10 1 10 2 20 plus 25 minus x by 2. So this is the median value. Median value given here 28.5. So let us write here 28.5 is equal to 20 plus 25 minus x by 2. Now plus 20 is independent value, so you get it left side. 20 is equal to 25 minus x by 2. So this is 8.5. 8.5 is equal to 25 minus x by 2. By 2 will come this side as into. So 8.5 into 2 is equal to 25 minus x. So this is 17 is equal to 25 minus x. Minus x will come this side as plus. So x is equal to 25 minus 17. X is equal to 25 minus 17 is 8. So x value we know 8. From median we are getting x value, we are not getting y. So there is chance for finding y. Total frequency given 60. 5 plus 20, 25, 25 plus 15, 40, 40 plus 5, 45. 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. This is next second for y value. Given 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. X plus y is equal to 60 minus 45. X plus y is equal to 15. And we know x value is 8. So x value, substituting x value, 8 plus y is equal to 15, and therefore y is equal to 15 minus 8, that is 7. Therefore x is equal to 8, y is equal to 7. Like this. Very important problem. Note down. See, this is as it is same. Three columns. Here two frequencies are not given. X and Y are not given. So in writing cumulative frequency, whatever the frequency given here, you repeat the same 5 plus x, 25 plus x, 40 plus x, 40 plus x plus y, 40 plus 5, 45 plus x plus y. This totally equal to 60. So x plus y is equal to 60. Here 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. Total frequency. From median, substitute the values. Note down first. First of all, we find x. From median formula, we are getting x value. After getting x value, substitute in second. What is second? 45 plus x plus y. Total frequency is 60 given. These two are given. Median value and total frequency given. Important. Second problem. Tomorrow I will explain all arithmetic mean, median, mode for one table only. For one table only, let us do three values of central tendencies. We have to find arithmetic mean, median, mode for one table, one problem. Now we are doing individually, separately we are doing. From 14.1 arithmetic mean, from 14.2 mode, from 14.3 median. After this, again I will explain three arithmetic mean, mode, median for one table. Tomorrow. So you please practice on formula first. Formula and explain the terms. What is small a? What is here in this L? What is N? What is F? What is F? You have to write terms also. L value, lower boundary of the median class. How to find median class? Middle. N by 2 observation. Median is N by 2 observation, where N is total frequency given 60. 60 by 2, 30. So 38 frequency is coming in this 25 plus 6. So I am taking this as median plus because this is already 40. That's why I am taking this as median plus. After finding median plus, preceding frequency, preceding cumulative frequency is CF. So CF, this is frequency of the median plus, this is lower boundary of the median plus. Then write the list like this. Find x and y. Under 4 months they are asking. So like that you complete 14.3 children. I will take the next 2 or 3 for 1 kid. Alternative mean mode mean. Thank you.